check this out. I've got all 4 of the new iPhone 15 models. I'm gonna unbox each one for you and then set them out side by side. Check it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk. Here they are. All 4 of the new iPhone 15 models. I've got the iPhone 15, the iPhone 15 Plus, the iPhone 15 Pro, and finally the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Really cool. Can't wait to unbox these. So here's what I'm gonna do for you guys. I'm gonna unbox each one individually from least expensive up to most expensive. And then what we'll do is we'll put them all side by side so you can see each of the iPhone 15 models next to each other. Let's get to the table. There they are. We've got the iPhone 15, the iPhone 15 Plus, the iPhone 15 Pro, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's start at the beginning with the least expensive model, the iPhone 15. And here it is. Take a look at the box. These are small boxes. Pretty nice to see what Apple's doing, trying to minimize the box, trying to minimize the size. And really, it's minimalistic on the outside, as Apple has always been. You've got a faint iPhone on the side, you've got a faint Apple on the edge there, and you've got kind of a yellowish Apple iPhone on the front there going on. On the back, we've got these convenient pull tabs that Apple likes to use, which are great. Makes unboxing very easy, and frankly, very satisfying too. There you go. And that's it. That's all you got to do to open up the seal on the box itself for the iPhone 15. Let's pop this open. Oh, there it is. Check that out. Apple always does such a good job. Love Apple or hate Apple, they know how to present a product when you open the box. Boom, right there. There it is, the new iPhone 15. And check out this color. This is just a gorgeous kind of matte color on the back here. You've got your 2 cameras and a flash there. Very, very cool. On the front, you've got this piece of paper covering up the screen. I'm telling you, that's one of the most satisfying things in the world. Taking off that screen protector right there. And look at that glossy finish. Looks like water, doesn't it? So cool. You've got your volume buttons on the side here. Remember, not all of the new iPhones have the new magic button. This one, the iPhone 15, still has the classic rocker button, which frankly, I'm a fan of. So kind of sad to see it go on the more expensive models, but nice that they're still keeping it, at least on some of the models here with the new iPhone. On the other side, you've got your standard power button there. Very cool. On the bottom, look at what we have here. Is it my friend USB-C? Check them out. The USB-C port. So much talk about Apple switching over to USB-C, and there it is. So weird to see a USB-C port on an actual iPhone. Pretty cool. So inside the box, what does Apple include these days? Well, wouldn't you know, an Apple USB-C cable. Nice to see that. Apple going full force here, of course, adopting USB-C, and there's the cable you would expect. And that's pretty much it. As you know, they don't include a charging block anymore. They stopped doing that a few years ago. They're also have a little pamphlet here talking about eSIM and, oh my gosh, an Apple sticker. They still include the Apple sticker. Nice job, guys. Always great to include a sticker. Just a way for your customers to rep your stuff. Apple is not dumb. They know what they're doing. And a little bit of a quick start guide, if you will, just some basic information. I'm sure 0.0005% of people actually read that. Let's pop that back in there. And that is it. I mean, the Apple unboxing experience for the iPhone 15 is pretty simple. That is all we have in there. So let's set this aside and move on now to the next iPhone, the iPhone 15 Plus. And you can see it on the back there, iPhone 15 Plus. Box is very similar, different color markings, but same markings. I mean, gosh, it's almost hard to distinguish between the two except for the size. And then, of course, on the back where it says iPhone 15 Plus. Let's open this guy up. Pulling the tabs once again makes it so easy. And there you are. Hello, iPhone 15 Plus. Now this is basically going to be very similar. It's a different color, obviously. This is that green color, but it's going to be pretty much the same phone as the iPhone 15. It's just bigger. It has a bigger screen on it, but pretty much the same phone, pretty much the same specs, same cameras, etc., etc. That same matte finish on the back. I love this. I really do. What a beautiful finish on the back of this. It just feels good to the touch. It looks good. Nice job. That's very cool. Taking the cover off the screen there, the same glossy finish as we saw on the other one, the same rocker button on the side here of the iPhone 15 Plus. And I'm going to show you this side by side with the iPhone 15 in just a second. Inside, you've got the same USB-C cable and the same pamphlet, so I'm not going to go through those again. Let me set this over to the side, and we'll move on and moving up in models to the iPhone 15 Pro. So this is not the top end, but second to the top tier, if you will. And again, the box is very similar. Different picture in the iPhone, though. Notice that. So this is the iPhone 15 Plus, and this is when you get to the Pro line, you get this black kind of galaxy swirly thing going on. That's the difference with the box. And also on the side, you'll notice the Pro models have kind of the metal gray iPhone writing and the metal gray Apple logo on the bottom there. Let's peel the seal on this iPhone 15 Pro. There we go. Get some of this garbage out of the way. Man, when you're unboxing 4 phones in a row, it sure does generate a lot of stuff, doesn't it? Let's pop this open. There it is. There's the iPhone 15 Pro. Man, that's cool. And so they've got a black matte finish on the back of this one. And then look at those cameras, man. Those are just nuts. Giant cameras in the back of this iPhone 15 Pro. Really, look at that. 3 big cameras. You've also got the flash and some sensors. Really cool. Let's pop this guy out. I'll tell you what, they really did simplify the process in terms of what's inside, as they have over the past few years. Just a cable and a quick start guide, and that's it. And then the phone itself. I mean, you really don't need much more than that these days. And so there you go. There's the phone. There's the back. Let me peel the paper off the front and see the beautiful glass on the front. Always perfect the day you get it. Never the same after that, don't you know? And then on the side, we have a power button here. And we can see we've got our volume rocker, and then there's that button that everyone was talking about, that magic button that replaced the rocker on the previous iPhone. So you don't get the rocker anymore, the mute rocker. You get this magic button that you can now program to do various things. On the bottom, of course, we've got USB-C now. And, you know, all in all, this does look a lot like the iPhone 15 and the iPhone 15 Plus. Even though it's the Pro model, the cameras are going to be the distinguishing thing that you can notice that really make it stand out from the normal models. You can see from a side view, you've got more protrusion there, if you will, of those cameras as well. Inside the box, USB-C cable, quick start guide, and a sticker. Nothing too extraordinary there, so let's move on. Now we have the most expensive new model of the iPhone 15 line. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the Big Daddy. So it's very similar to the Pro that we just showed you, but it's bigger and has a few more features. The box itself looks very similar. Let's peel the box seal. I do love how easy Apple makes it for us to do these unboxings. There's no plastic here. There's no complicated seals, no knives needed. There it is. Looks a lot like the Pro. It's bigger. Same camera setup though. Look at that. Look at those cameras on that guy. That is nice. And this black matte finish, I'm telling you, until you see it in person, it is just so nice. My question is, how does this hold up? How does that finish hold up over time? Let's pop this guy out here. And we've got the paper on top, of course. Shows you what the buttons do, plus minus. This actually says mute on it, which, you know, because it's the magic button, it can kind of do a lot of stuff, but muting being the default operation there. And then the power button over there. We peel off the paper and look at this. This is it. This is the granddaddy of them all. This is the expensive model, the high-end model. If you shoot pro video or even prosumer video, this is the model you want to get. This is the one that's got all the video features, all the camera features, all the pro features, if you will. From the looks of it, this is a high-end looking phone. Again, you've got the cameras kind of protruding there. All right, let's go side by side now. I want to bring each one of them out here. First, we've got the iPhone 15. I got to make sure I grab the right ones here. The green one is the next one. This is the iPhone 15 Plus. And then we've got the iPhone 15 Pro. And then finally, we've got the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So there you go, side by side. Again, the iPhone 15, the iPhone 15 Plus, the iPhone 15 Pro, then the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And you can see the size similarities between the Plus and the Pro Max, and the size similarities between the 15 and then the Pro. Man, keeping these straight can be kind of difficult. Let me show you the backs real quick, and you'll see how similar they really are. I mean, the camera module is what kind of keeps these things apart in terms of the Pro models and the regular models. But of course, the black on the back of these again looks really cool. The matte finish on the back of these looks really cool. iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max. I want to know, you're watching this video, so there's probably a good chance you're thinking about buying one of these. Which one are you going with and why? I'm always curious how people make these decisions. Throw that comment below. If you love geeky videos like this, unboxings, reviews, all kinds of cool stuff, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for hanging out with us. I'm Kirk. Tech it before you wreck it.